Hey everybody, Jennifer Bell here. Today we're going to be talking about extra help, or also known as Low-Income Subsidy, and you will see the acronym for that as LIS. Medicare lives on acronyms, believe me. They love to throw you for a loop. So extra help or low-income subsidy, LIS, is what you'll get if you have certain income limits below a certain threshold. And extra help is for the cost of your medication. So not only can it lower the cost that you pay at the pharmacy when you pick up your medication, but it can also provide you with lower or no premium for your prescription drug plan, which is awesome. So if you are on Medicare and Medicaid and then you have a prescription drug plan, there is the possibility that you could have a zero premium prescription drug plan, and then when you pick up your medications, the cost of those medications is much lower. Now, this is something that would help you with expensive medications and also, the lower cost medications as well. But the nice thing about extra help or low-income subsidy is that it actually puts a limitation on what pharmacies can charge you. So the highest they can charge you, and that really helps because you get medications that are quite expensive. So let's say you have a medication that is an inhaler and the inhaler is $100 a month. Well, with extra help, there's a cap around $9.30 a month that they can charge you. So you are drastically reduced on what the pharmacy can charge you. Now, the cool thing about extra help and low-income subsidy is it follows you from plan to plan. So if you're on a prescription drug plan, or let's say you're on a Medicare Advantage plan, and you want to change plans, you don't lose extra help and you don't lose your low-income subsidy because that is something that's provided through Social Security and Medicare. And because it's through Social Security and Medicare, it follows the plans that you decide to go on. And that's a great thing. You'll get a letter that states that you have extra help. If your income is on the lower side and you're not sure if you qualify for extra help, please give me a shout. You can also Google, qualifications for extra help. It's totally fine. Medicare has all these resources on their website. It's usually a little bit easier to search for it in Google and then have that direct you to the Medicare.gov page. Their search engine isn't the greatest on their site. So, but I'm happy to send you information on extra help and show you how to make that application happen as well. And so keep in mind, if you and your spouse are having a hard time paying for medications, if you think you might qualify for extra help, let's look at it. Let's see what you have. And again, please share this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm constantly doing videos to update folks on how Medicare works and situations that I come across and throwing them out there so that you can also potentially learn from what I learned from. But definitely give us a like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.